Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's more relevant than ever: cybersecurity. Cyber threats are evolving faster than ever, and staying ahead is crucial. From AI-driven cyber attacks to the rise of quantum computing, the cybersecurity landscape is shifting beneath our feet. We're talking about protecting our data, our privacy, our very digital lives. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business owner, or just someone who uses the internet, which, let's face it, is all of us, this video is for you. Let's dive into the key cybersecurity trends shaping 2024 and beyond. Alright, let's talk about AI, or artificial intelligence. AI isn't just for productivity, it's transforming cybersecurity in both good ways and, well, not so good ways. On the bright side, AI-driven security tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated. These tools can analyze massive amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that might indicate a cyber attack. Think of it like having a super-powered security guard who can monitor your entire network 24/7. But, and this is a big but, there's a flip side to this AI coin. Hackers are also using AI to create smarter malware and more convincing phishing attacks. It's a digital arms race, with AI powering both sides of the battle. We need to develop AI systems that can not only detect known threats but also anticipate and adapt to new unknown attacks. Let's move on to another pressing issue in the cybersecurity world: ransomware. Now, ransomware isn't exactly a new threat, but it's definitely having a bit of a moment. We're seeing a surge in ransomware attacks, and they're not just targeting big corporations anymore. We're talking hospitals, schools, even local governments. No one is immune. So, how does ransomware work? Well, imagine this. You're working on an important project and suddenly your computer screen goes black. A message pops up, informing you that all your files have been encrypted, and the only way to get them back is to pay a hefty ransom, usually in cryptocurrency. And here's the thing. These attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Hackers are demanding higher ransoms, and the malware itself is spreading faster and becoming more difficult to remove. So, what can we do about it? Prevention is key. This means having strong backup systems in place, so even if your data is compromised, you can restore it without giving in to the hacker's demands. Chapter 3. Zero Trust. When trust is no longer an option. Now let's talk about a cybersecurity approach that's gaining a lot of traction: zero trust architecture. Traditionally, cybersecurity has operated on a trust but verify model. But in today's threat landscape, that approach just doesn't cut it. Zero trust throws that idea out the window and says, nope, we're not trusting anyone, not even our own employees. The basic premise of zero trust is that every user and device, whether they're inside or outside the network, must continuously prove their identity and authorization to access any resource. This is achieved through a combination of technologies and policies such as multi-factor authentication, network segmentation, and continuous monitoring. By implementing these measures, organizations can significantly reduce their attack surface and limit the damage that even a successful breach can cause. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, it's increasingly becoming a necessity, not a luxury. Chapter 4. Quantum Computing, the future of cybersecurity, for better or worse. Finally, let's talk about a technology that's still in its early stages, but has the potential to revolutionize cybersecurity, for better or for worse: quantum computing. Quantum computers are mind-bogglingly powerful machines that operate on the principles of quantum mechanics. They can perform calculations exponentially faster than traditional computers, which is both exciting and a little terrifying. Why terrifying? Well, because quantum computers could, in theory, break the encryption algorithms that protect much of our sensitive data today. Cybersecurity experts are in a race against time to develop new quantum-resistant encryption algorithms that can withstand the power of quantum computers. The good news is that the development of quantum computers is still ongoing, and it's likely to be a while before they pose a real threat to our everyday lives. But businesses and governments are already taking steps to prepare for a post-quantum future. This means investing in research and development of quantum-resistant encryption, as well as implementing hybrid systems that combine traditional and quantum-resistant algorithms. The future of cybersecurity, staying ahead of the game. So there you have it, a glimpse into the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. From AI-powered defenses to the rise of quantum computing, the future of cybersecurity is a complex and constantly shifting landscape. But here's the good news. By staying informed about the latest threats and trends, and by adopting a proactive and layered approach to cybersecurity, we can mitigate our risk and protect ourselves in the digital age. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech insights. Which cybersecurity trend concerns you most? Let us know in the comments.